The traditional product development process in manufacturing is time-consuming, costly, and carries significant risks. Even minor design changes often require substantial time and expense. However, Narnia Labs' innovative AI platform, AslanX, effectively addresses these challenges. AslanX enables users to easily train AI models using an intuitive approach of connecting blocks and lines. When user uploads data, AslanX processes the data and trains AI models using easily configurable nodes without the need for complex coding. The trained model then generates various design options and predicts the engineering performances of each in real time. This engineering performance evaluation leads to real-time design improvements. This fast, efficient process of iterative validation and optimization provides the best design option. The optimized designs generated by AslanX ensures high quality and reliability. As a result, productivity and collaboration efficiency across teams improve significantly. AslanX, which can be applied to a wide range of products, is not just a tool but a solution that brings innovation to the entire manufacturing industry.